Elco Lighting's Ambio collection is a full LED tape and rope light offering designed as a premium quality product that can easily be installed to discreetly light up any space. The Ambio collection is designed to be a condensed assortment of the best and most popular tape light options and features, offered at a price that's neither premium and exorbitant nor budget with the budget quality to match. It's a high quality assortment at great pricing. The tape products are engineered as 24-volt DC to work on long and steady runs with even illumination from the beginning of the tape to the end. We've also introduced our 120-volt flat and standard rope lights for line voltage installation. The Ambio tape collection is available in standard roll sizes and factory cut sizes with pre-installed 3M tape backing. Tape light products are available in custom cuts, 16-foot and 100-foot rolls. Dimming is determined by the chosen driver, and each tape choice will have a limit for the length of run. Rope light products are available in custom cuts, 30-foot or 150-foot rolls, with a maximum span of an entire 150 feet. Rope products come with the connectors and power cord to plug directly into an outlet. Rope light will also be listed for outdoor use in wetter areas. Let's take a closer peek at the options within the Elco assortment of premium indoor tape lighting. First up is the standard Ambio tape light. This collection is offered in wattages ranging from a subtle 1.5 watt to a powerful 8.8 watts per foot, up to 800 lumens per foot of tape. We offer each choice in several static color temperatures and choices, even with sunset dimming. This line is the best choice for lighting toe kicks, coves, shelving, and under cabinet areas. With each tape or rope product, you'll find specific areas where you can cut the tape or rope as desired. These cut lines will lie between soldered contact points and are used with supplied connectors to power up the tape. A newer option is COB tape light. The COB stands for chip on board. This product all but eliminates the dotted appearance of most tape lighting. The best use for this product is for installations with very shallow profiles seen by the people nearby. It's perfect for creating clean wall lines and in displays where the lighting's visible. Indoor tape options also come in our super flexible choice. Often in tape lighting projects, there can be relatively sharp corners and tight spaces where the tape needs to bend more than just a little. Our Super Flex tape will be the perfect solution for use in tight coves, displays, furniture details, signs, models, and more. The other main options in our Ambio tape line are outdoor, RGB, and rope light products. The outdoor flat tape light comes in 90 or 240 lumens per foot, with maximum runs of 30 feet. It's 120-volt plug-in ready and wet location rated for a perfect install on a deck, shed, patio, or porch. The 30-foot roll includes all the plugs, ends, connectors, and mounting clips for a complete project. For longer runs, our 120-volt rope light is the standard for indoor and outdoor use up to 150 feet at a time. The 150-foot spool comes with the needed plug-in, caps, and connectors for a full project. Our RGB indoor tape light offers 165 lumens per foot with a full spectrum of controllable color. Maximum runs of up to 16 feet with wall and remote controls are available. For the RGB tape light, choose either or both the wall and remote control choices. Each works in tandem with the required signal receiver. For a professional finished tape light install in any visible location, we offer a full range of mounting channels: deep, shallow, surface or recessed, or square or rounded corners mounts as well. Aluminum channels come in 8-foot lengths, but also come custom cut with the tape inside ready for installation. They all come with the end caps and mounting clips already. No need to order more parts unless you want to. The final component choice for any 24-volt tape light project is the driver. We have far more drivers available than are offered up on our website, so be sure to ask if you need something not shown. Simply add up the total wattage of the lengths of your light strips, add in a 20 to 40% cushion to keep the driver from running on full power constantly, and choose a driver of that wattage that's compatible with your dimming control. We have magnetic or electronic 24-volt drivers or 0 to 10 drivers with 277-volt support for commercial applications as well. We even have a dimming switch with a built-in driver for a project of up to 100 watts. And that completes today's tour of Elco's Ambeo collection. We certainly appreciate you watching this video today.